Um, Hello, my name is Katerian Lewis, and today I'll be talking to you about premarital sex and why it's okay. Okay, basic human instinct. First off, it is wired in our brain to become sexually active after puberty. The hypothalamus, which is located near the front of our skull, begins to secrete hormones that drive humans to want to reproduce after puberty. It is in our nature to want to, it's in our nature for us to want to fulfill our sexual desires. Experience Experimenting with your partner before marriage may ensure that the novelty of sex doesn't fade away. Bad sexual encounters can ruin a marriage, so it is logical to get some experience to ensure you have a better, long lasting relationship.
More and more people are experimenting with sex, and it has become the norm in the Western Hemisphere to have premarital sex. Your peers may think you are weird to even question it, and you will want validation from your peers. In the 1970s, it was only a 29% acceptance rate for premarital sex, but the percentages have shot up to 49% in recent years. That's a huge difference.
A clear connection. A physical connection is just as important as an emotional connection. It's logical to make sure that you and your significant other are compatible in all ways, not just one. Marriage Marriage shouldn't change whether sex is good or bad. People that save themselves for marriage tend to get married early, which could lead to higher divorce rates.
Orientation. Being able to experiment before marriage will allow people to ensure their sexual preferences. Your wife or husband you marry might not be the one that fits your desires. According to a study by Wendell Furman, 13% of the interview participants said that they were not sure about their sexual preferences before experimenting with sex.
Hi, my name is Courtney. Happiness. Having sexual intercourse often relieves stress. It is a proven fact that people are more productive when they are stress free.
The wider use of contraceptives in the world, we can now avoid unwanted pregnancy and diseases. Because they are highly effective, people can have sex without the anxiety of having a baby. Having sexual encounters before marriage will allow people to use contraceptives and not be pressured into having children.
Next, according to recent studies, the age of puberty has lowered by a couple of years over the past decades. During the medieval era, couples would marry early due to the fact that sex was taboo. Couples in modern time would be experimenting around the same age that couples would marry back in the day.
Identity. Having sex before marriage can help a person better understand themselves. It can be reassuring to many people that are attracted to the opposite sex. Christians have sex. Christians make up 75% of the United States population, and 3% of the people in the U.S. actually wait until marriage to have sex, which means that a lot of it is Christian and not waiting for marriage to have sex.